Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a small but mighty herb that can do wonders for your health, mint leaves. You might know mint as a popular flavoring in candies and drinks. But did you know that incorporating mint leaves into your daily life can offer numerous health benefits? Let's discover 5 amazing ways mint can boost your well-being. Benefit number 1, improves digestion. First up, mint leaves are fantastic for improving digestion. They contain compounds that can help relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating and gas. If you suffer from indigestion or upset stomachs, a simple cup of mint tea after meals can do wonders. Plus, the refreshing taste will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Benefit number 2, relieves respiratory issues. Mint leaves are also a natural remedy for respiratory problems. The menthol in mint acts as a decongestant, helping to clear up congestion and soothe irritated nasal passages. If you're dealing with a stuffy nose or seasonal allergies, inhaling the steam from a bowl of hot water infused with mint leaves can provide instant relief. Benefit number 3, boosts energy. Feeling sluggish? Mint leaves can give you a natural energy boost. The aroma of mint has been shown to stimulate the brain, enhancing alertness and focus. Consider adding a few fresh mint leaves to your morning smoothie or incorporating them into your water bottle for a refreshing and invigorating drink to keep you going throughout the day. Benefit number 4, supports oral health. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial, and mint leaves can be a valuable ally in this area. Mint has antibacterial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Chewing on fresh mint leaves or using mint-infused mouthwash can leave your breath feeling minty fresh and your teeth and gums healthier. Benefit number 5, relieves stress and anxiety. Last but not least, mint leaves can be a soothing remedy for stress and anxiety. The calming properties of mint help relax both the mind and body, reducing feelings of tension and promoting relaxation. Sipping on a warm cup of mint tea before bedtime can improve sleep quality, allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. So, there you have it, 5 incredible health benefits of incorporating mint leaves into your daily life. From aiding digestion and boosting energy to supporting oral health and reducing stress, this tiny herb packs a powerful punch. Remember, you can easily grow mint at home, making it a readily available and cost-effective addition to your wellness routine. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.